Hi everyone, my name is Kristen Oden, and I am an MSW student here at Rutgers for social work, obviously. My undergrad is in psychology, and I got that from Coastal Carolina University in South Carolina. I currently live in Washington, New Jersey, which is also where I work. I work at the Domestic Abuse and Sexual Assault Crisis Center in Warren County. And it's also where my field placement is. So it's a work study. I work as a staff member at the Safe House, and I'm in charge of transitioning clients out, helping them obtain housing, insurance, school, jobs, any of the kind of day-to-day stuff. And for my field placement, I work at the main center there where the counseling occurs, and I see sexual assault clients for counseling as my field placement. Definitely interested in this area for social work. I want to stay working with victims of interpersonal violence and sexual violence, specifically women and children. But as we know, violence affects everyone. Social welfare policy, that's a tough one. I'm just interested in kind of learning the ins and outs of both macro and micro work. So doing counseling and direct client service is great, but I also want to know more about like what's going on with legislation and current policies and how that kind of impacts services for clients. In 5 years, I hope to still be in this field, doing direct client work, hopefully being a counselor, maybe at the same agency. I do love the agency, so hopefully I would still be here, but you never know what life's going to throw at you. And then something else about myself, I have a French bulldog. His name is Ziggy, so we spend a lot of time together. I like to read, and I'm from South Carolina, so I go home periodically to where it's much warmer. But I look forward to being in this class and, working with all of you guys and learning a lot, hopefully. Thanks.